Hello YouTube, it's me again, celebrating my success with a cup of Metti. It's a partial success, not a complete success. I have actually got another Jessop's 360 AFD flash gun, also used and faulty. This one charges up and primes. You see the ready button turns on, the ready light. But you hit the ready test button, you get nothing, absolutely nothing. Even the main flash would not discharge. It's as if you've pressed nothing. And something else happens here. The bottom line of the LCD works. You see the zoom and what's here? There's something else here at the bottom line, some numbers. You can see these numbers, but there's nothing else. The rest of the LCD is turned off. But if you hit the mute button, you will hear the beep. If you hit the mode, ISO, and f-stop buttons, you will hear some beeps. If you hit the light button, you will get some backlight. So everything responds, except you cannot make sure it's actually working because the ready test button does not discharge the flash, so there is no discharge at all. And this is why you cannot even test it, you cannot even try it. Anyway, interestingly, quite so very interestingly, when I opened this, unfortunately my poor camera here won't change the optical zoom once I start recording, but what's very interesting is that when I opened this, I was hoping to get the same capacitor that I needed before from here, but it wasn't there. I mean, it belonged to the exact same place. Where is it? Okay. I'm sorry about the poor camera handling. I might redo this video. Oh dear, there's no more focus. Okay, here, see, well, there's no focus, but at least there are some light reflections. This reflection here is one terminal. This one here is the other terminal. There was actually a capacitor, a similar capacitor here, but it's not there, and it's broken in the very same way that the capacitor here was broken. Same corner broken, same broken corner, same everything. This was very interesting for me to notice. But it still worked and primed, charged up the main capacitor, that is. Anyway, so I ignored the whole thing, checked everything else, and I've noticed by comparison that there was a broken cable in the upper compartment here, and there was actually a different broken cable here, but they were different. So I learned from this one and soldered this one, and I learned from this one and soldered this one, and now this works. This is why I'm having Metti. So let me show you, before this video gets too long and boring. I have some batteries in there, and here's the off button turned on. Oops. It discharged for some reason. Must be a contact near the ready test button. Anyway, it's priming. You can probably hear it in the video. And here's the ready test button. It's finally on. I have backlight. I can zoom. Zoom. Whoops. Dropped the camera. Sorry. Now I know I should redo the video. I could zoom. Okay, here. You can see it automatically moves here. And between TTL, okay, TTL, if I hit mode, here's mode. It goes to manual, and I can change the power setting. I'm gonna go for 1/16 of a full charge, and I'll God. Okay, check this out. Oops, sorry. Don't do this at home. Flash goes. Flash goes. Okay. And this is actually, I learned that this is a slave mode switch. If you turn it on, zoom goes forward all the way, it becomes manual, etc, etc. Or you can bring it back to master mode. And that's it, I have a working flash. Congratulations, me. I win. Matty for me. And peace.